Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. Alright, so what we're going to be assembling today is called the Renault. I believe it's pronounced Renault. I'm not a French speaker, but that's as close as I can get, I think. Renault. Available at miniaturetanks.com. So the first steps, we always start with a clipping away part. Alright, so take this piece, clip away like that. All right, and then take the little turret and just take your clippers and go like that. And then take clippers and go like that. And then here. Should be able to pull that. There we go. There we go. Just clean that up a bit. Perfect. And of course you can sand this down if you wish. Now I'm working with a tiny scale. I believe this is HO scale, 1/87th scale. So anything that I show you here will be for the tiny stuff. If you buy a bigger scale, then it'll just simply be easier for you. Now, take this piece, cut that sprue. Here you go. Cut it like that. And that actually ends the process of cutting away. Now we're going to start to glue this thing together. So take the little turret. Let's do that first. And take some glue. Put that down there. There you have it. There you go. And then take this and go like that. Just make sure it gets in the center there. There. Then you can just set that aside. So here we go. You can see that this will be like this. It won't be like this. So it could go like that. And then just put a dab of glue there, there, and along there. And now, carefully place this little piece like that. And just pay attention, make sure that it's going down like this. That this cylinder, or this piece is going in the center there, and then the back piece is going in the center there. Just look at it from all different angles. Just make sure that it's going down in the correct spot. Once it's in the correct spot, pressing down firmly, and go ahead and do the same for the other side. Just put in some glue, okay? And then, if you wish, you can actually take the other as a guide and kind of push the other and put it on the table and use the table flat surface as a guide, and then you can just slide it right in there. Okay, see, so that worked out pretty well. And then you can have your turret there, but we're not done completely. Just put some glue on the side here, and then you have this little piece. I'm actually going to go ahead and use a tweezer for this process. It's kind of a smaller piece. There you go. That's a little side bin or whatever they had for storage or something like that. And then it's the back pieces here. There's optionally two different pieces. You could put that piece on, or you could not. You could put this piece. So as you can imagine, it's fairly simple to do that. There you go. Then just go ahead and put that piece there. Just making sure that it's going down well in the correct position. Then put your little turret in. And there you have it. The Renault FT17 from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. This video is the assembly video for the standard version, the version that's just like this, but with the MG turret, and then the one with the command turret. The assembly process is all the same. It's just the turret that's a little different. Thank you so much for watching.